Hello, everyone. We talked during the last video about the design concept of the hole, so let's talk about our furnace type and different design concepts today. Did you notice that this furnace is tilted? This is an ammonia decomposition furnace produced by ourselves. The furnace is flat. This is our multi-million-dollar heat treatment RD center. Well, in my opinion, building a device is the same as playing with a car. Why are there so many foreign top cars? He can do so well. Just because he can play, he is deeply bound with a lot of that buyer. Including Xiaomi is the same. He also has the same goals for our equipment. Let's just think of ourselves as buyers. And then we put in the structure. We put in the energy efficiency. We put in the utility of the stove. Just because we can. In that furnace, in contrast to this furnace, we upgraded over such points. What are the benefits of this particular furnace? We can have more offline communication. Thank you.